Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the most advanced, powerful, and revolutionary 5th-generation radar systems in the world, the Lockheed Martin TPY-4. And if you're a fan of cutting-edge defense tech, you're in for a serious treat. First, let's start with the countries that are already operating or planning to operate this remarkable system. The United States was the first to adopt the TPY-4 under its three-dimensional expeditionary long-range radar program, better known as 3D-ELRR, to replace the decades-old AN/TPS-75 system. The first operational unit was delivered in early 2025, with plans to deploy up to 35 systems in total. Norway was the first international customer, placing an order for 8 systems in 2022, with an option for 3 more by 2024. Then came Sweden, which joined the program in June of 2025, becoming the third confirmed user, with its systems expected to be deployed by 2027. That's a solid lineup of trusted allies investing in this radar, and it's not hard to see why once you dive into its capabilities. The TPY-4 is built on a fully digital active electronically scanned array, what we call an AESA, paired with cutting-edge gallium nitride or GaN technology. It's composed of more than 1,000 independently controlled transmit-receive modules. Think of it like a radar with over 1,000 mini-radars inside, each one capable of adjusting its frequency, angle, and timing in real time. That kind of control allows for true multi-mission operation. This radar can track stealth aircraft, ballistic missiles, drones, and cruise missiles all at once without breaking a sweat. Operating in the L-band frequency range, which spans from 1,215 to 1,400 MHz, the TPY-4 offers an ideal balance between long-range detection and resistance to environmental clutter and electronic jamming. In its standard rotating mode, it provides 360-degree coverage with a maximum range of up to 555 kilometers. But here's where it gets really impressive. When switched to stop and stare mode, which allows it to focus on a specific sector, the radar can detect targets over 1,000 kilometers away. That's right, over 1,000 kilometers of high-resolution, three-dimensional awareness. And it's not just wide in range, it's deep in coverage too, scanning from 6 degrees below the horizon to 90 degrees straight up, allowing it to track sea-skimming missiles, high-flying jets, and even space-based threats. Mobility is another area where the TPY-4 shines. It's designed to be fully transportable by multiple methods: by truck, by C-130 or C-17 aircraft, by train, or even by helicopter in certain configurations. That means you can deploy it to remote bases, high-risk theaters, or strategic homeland locations with minimal logistical complexity. Its setup and teardown times are among the fastest in its class, which is a major plus in combat or emergency response situations. But what really sets the TPY-4 apart is its software-defined architecture. Unlike legacy radars that require hardware modifications to upgrade or change mission roles, this system can be reprogrammed entirely through software updates. That means its functions can evolve as threats evolve, switching from air defense to space surveillance to drone tracking without changing any physical components. Its digital signal processing uses artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to distinguish between real threats and false alarms, prioritizing targets, and feeding high-fidelity data to command and control centers in real time. In terms of resilience, the TPY-4 is engineered for operation in contested electromagnetic environments. Its combination of L-band frequency operation, GaN-powered AESA elements, and intelligent software make it exceptionally hard to jam, spoof, or blind. That's critical when you're facing advanced adversaries with their own electronic warfare capabilities. Its data links are built to integrate smoothly with NATO's air defense architecture, including the Integrated Battle Command System, Aegis Ashore, and other allied platforms, allowing for rapid coordination across land, air, sea, and even space assets. From a lifecycle perspective, this radar is future-proof. Because it's software upgradable and built with an open system architecture, you won't need to replace the radar every few years. Instead, you update the software, patch new threat libraries, and expand functionality through modular enhancements. That saves not just time, but millions of dollars over the radar's operational life. To put it all together, the Lockheed Martin TPY-4 is more than just a radar. It's a full-spectrum situational awareness and early warning powerhouse. It delivers exceptional range, vertical and horizontal coverage, real-time threat classification, and seamless integration with allied defense networks. With the United States, Norway, and Sweden already on board, and more countries likely to follow, this system is poised to become a cornerstone of global air and missile defense strategy. Whether defending against next-generation stealth aircraft, hypersonic missiles, or drone swarms, the TPY-4 is ready for the mission. If you want to see how it compares to systems like Israel's EL/M20084 or Raytheon's LTAMDs, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another deep dive into the future of defense technology.